How to turn on avoid highways on Google Maps. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Map on your device. Then add destination and then your current location. After that, you'll find three dots on top right corner of your screen. You'll find all these lists. First, click on Options. After clicking on Options, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Avoid Highways and turn it on. After that, all your trips will avoid highways. And that's how you turn on Avoid Highways on Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.